Welcome back. Today we are going to download and install XAMPP. Why do we need XAMPP? We need XAMPP because Android developers normally work with PHP, and XAMPP is used as a server on your system. You use XAMPP to run your PHP code, and your PHP code can be used as your Android development backend. So you need XAMPP in order to run your PHP code before you upload it live to the server. So let's go to our browser in order for us to install our XAMPP. So you go to Chrome, you go to your browser, whichever browser you are using. So you type XAMPP download. You go to the official link, which is apachefriend.org. So you are going to download the latest version. So you are going to download version 7.4.8. Your own may be different. This is my own version, the latest version for me as at this time that I'm recording this video, and I'm using 64-bit system window. So I allow it to finish downloading. So I'll pause the video for a while it finishes downloading so that I will not waste your time. So we are done with the download. So we are going to go further to install it. Click on it, go to the folder location, right click, run it as administrator. Ensure you run it as administrator. Do it the way I'm doing it. When you run it as administrator, it show you where to yes or no. You click on yes. Never mind about this message. Click OK. So you click next. Allow it to be as it is. Don't uncheck anything. Click next to be installed on this folder location. Click next. Click next. Click. Uncheck this unless if you like to read about to learn more in the documentation. So click next. So it's installing. This might take a little time, so I will pause the video and come back again. So we are finished. The installation is almost done. So you need to give access to firewall. So you click allow access. So the installation is done. I don't want you to just click on the finish. Do you want to start the control panel now? Uncheck it. The reason why I decided that we shouldn't start it now is because you need to run it as administrator. If you don't run it that way as administrator, you have problem. So you go to your XAMPP. Let us run the XAMPP. We just finished installing it. Let's go to the XAMPP control panel. You click on it. Right click on the control panel. Run as administrator. If you don't do this, you have error. So the administrator panel will pop up shortly. So now that it has popped up, you click on this and install it. Install Apache, install MySQL, install Tomcat. Never mind if Tomcat refuses to install, but the most important thing that we need here is Apache MySQL. So now our XAMPP has finished installing. So for us to know if it is working, if your XAMPP is working, if you go to your browser and you type localhost. When you type localhost and click on enter, now I've not started my exam. You can see that you will see that this site cannot be reached. It means your exam is not working. If you reload, it won't work despite your internet connection is on. So now let's go to it now and start Apache. It's Apache that is the main thing. So let's reload it and see. You can see that it's working. So once you see this pop-up, this window, know that your exam has been installed. So you can also start the MySQL. So everything is okay. So we are finished installing our exam. If you have any error, please let me know. Thank you.